before I go work, I need to cook soup for my hubby. I found out that he don't have soup, he don't have lunch that he needs to, so I'll cook green peas. The soup for today is green peas. I just boiled first chicken. When the chicken is soft, I'll put the green pea and this one is leek vegetable. So I finished boiled. That's the chicken where we boiled. We put into pieces like this and put this back here. The rest is for fried chicken for my boy. And put I already put stuff there like salt, ginger, and we put all this now because we'll be heat again for 15 minutes boiled this cook pot thing. So we put all of this there and we put mixed herbs